Welcome to the Simply Included project, positive diversity in professional structures. Probably you're wondering what the Simply Included project is about. Well, 6 countries have come together to create a project. Turkey, Iceland, Germany, Sweden, Spain, and Slovenia. The project aims to promote social inclusion in companies and vocational education and training for migrants and refugees. The project partners will be spending a lot of time together, so what will we create? First, migration story videos. Second, a toolkit for sustainable inclusion. And finally, a video kit about who am I and what am I good at. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us through our website or social media. Until next time, stay simply included.